brrr. It was a truck highway. So,
Mm.
the diesel trucks going by with the containers on the back, the sound of traffic, and especially the sound of trucks, is relaxing and makes me
Mhm.
sleepy because that's how I fell asleep as a child.
That's how you fell asleep as a child.
So I
I mean,
totally understand that. Sounds of New
yes.
York City versus
Yes.
birds or
Mhm.
water. Yeah,
It depends on and you're right about that. And I will put a caveat, a lot depends on what your childhood was like, but if it was fairly
sure.
happy
Yeah.
and you enjoyed it, there is a certain peace in the familiarity, and it
Mm,
kinda can make you feel secure, especially if that's what you grew up with. Like, I remember I kinda grew up in the combo because I grew up, you know, in New York City, but just outside the city